For many travelers, Norway is defined by its magnificent fjords, towering waterfalls, and picturesque coastal villages. Yet beyond these world-famous landscapes lies another Norway, one of vast Arctic wilderness, rugged mountains, remote islands, and extraordinary scenery that stretches far beyond the country's best-known destinations. While millions visit the famous fjords each year, relatively few continue into the immense northern regions where nature dominates every horizon. Here, towering peaks rise from the sea, ancient forests blanket wide valleys, and Arctic landscapes reveal a sense of scale unlike almost anywhere else in Europe. One of northern Norway's greatest hidden treasures is Senja, an island where dramatic mountains plunge directly into the Norwegian Sea. Often described as one of the country's most spectacular landscapes, Senja offers breathtaking scenery while remaining far quieter than many of Norway's more famous destinations. Seen from above, Senja reveals a remarkable contrast of jagged peaks, winding coastal roads, deep fjords, and secluded beaches. Every turn unveils another panoramic view, creating an unforgettable landscape shaped by glaciers, the sea, and thousands of years of natural change. Further north, the magnificent Lyngen Alps present one of Scandinavia's most dramatic mountain regions. Towering granite peaks, ancient glaciers, crystal-clear fjords, and broad Arctic valleys combine to create scenery that feels both powerful and untouched. From elevated viewpoints, the Lyngen Alps appear to stretch endlessly toward the Arctic horizon. Snow-covered mountains descend into deep blue waters, while winding roads reveal spectacular perspectives that showcase the extraordinary beauty of northern Norway. Beyond the mountains lies the immense Finnmarksvidda Plateau, one of Europe's largest remaining wilderness areas. Vast open landscapes, Arctic rivers, tundra, and scattered birch forests extend across the horizon, creating an extraordinary sense of freedom and isolation. The immense scale of Finnmarksvidda becomes even more impressive from the air. Rivers weave across the plateau, distant hills disappear into the horizon, and the changing Arctic light transforms the landscape throughout every season. Northern Norway is also home to countless pristine rivers, untouched forests, and rich Arctic ecosystems. These remote environments support remarkable wildlife while preserving landscapes that remain among the least disturbed anywhere in Europe. Across these wilderness regions, nature continues to shape every journey. Broad valleys, glacial lakes, dramatic coastlines, and endless mountain ranges combine to create an ever-changing panorama that rewards travelers prepared to venture beyond the familiar fjord routes. One of the greatest surprises about Norway's far north is the incredible variety found within its Arctic landscapes. Rugged islands, alpine peaks, open tundra, dense forests, and winding fjords all exist within relatively short distances, revealing a region of remarkable geographical diversity. These extraordinary environments have also shaped life in the Arctic for thousands of years. Remote communities learned to thrive alongside changing seasons, powerful weather, and vast natural landscapes, creating traditions deeply connected to the rhythm of the North. Traveling beyond Norway's famous fjords offers something increasingly rare in today's world: a genuine sense of space. Quiet roads, remote coastlines, expansive valleys, and uninterrupted mountain scenery allow visitors to experience nature on a truly monumental scale. For those willing to journey into the Arctic, Norway reveals landscapes of breathtaking beauty, where glaciers, mountains, rivers, and endless wilderness combine to create one of Europe's most unforgettable travel experiences. Yet these spectacular landscapes are only the beginning. Beyond the mountains and tundra lies an even deeper Arctic story of remote fishing villages, ancient Sami culture, dramatic coastlines, and extraordinary natural phenomena that continue to define the true spirit of northern Norway. Beyond northern Norway's immense wilderness lies a remarkable Arctic world, where dramatic coastlines, remote communities, and ancient traditions continue to thrive. Far from the country's busiest tourist routes, these extraordinary landscapes reveal a quieter and more authentic side of Norway that few international visitors ever experience. One of the Arctic's greatest hidden treasures is the Varanger Peninsula, where rugged cliffs, windswept tundra, and the Barents Sea create one of Europe's most distinctive coastal landscapes. The vast open scenery provides an important refuge for countless seabirds and wildlife while offering panoramic views that seem to stretch endlessly across the Arctic horizon. Traveling through Varanger reveals an ever-changing landscape shaped by powerful winds, ancient rock formations, and the surrounding sea. Quiet coastal roads connect small fishing communities where colorful harbors and traditional wooden buildings reflect generations of life beside the Arctic Ocean. Although the Lofoten Islands are becoming increasingly popular, much of the archipelago remains wonderfully peaceful beyond its most photographed viewpoints. Hidden fishing villages, secluded beaches, dramatic mountain ridges, and quiet coastal roads reveal a slower and more authentic side of these remarkable islands. Seen from above, Lofoten appears almost otherworldly. Jagged granite peaks rise directly from crystal-clear waters. Narrow fjords weave between scattered islands, and white sandy beaches create striking contrasts against the surrounding mountains, producing some of Europe's most spectacular aerial scenery. Across northern Norway, the traditions of the Sami people continue to shape the cultural landscape. For thousands of years, communities have adapted to Arctic conditions through deep knowledge of the land, preserving customs that remain closely connected to nature and the changing seasons. The immense Arctic landscape reflects this enduring relationship between people and wilderness. Open tundra, mountain plateaus, river valleys, and remote forests continue to support traditional ways of life, while preserving one of Europe's last great natural frontiers. Northern Norway also surprises visitors with beautiful Arctic beaches, where white sand and remarkably clear water create scenes more often associated with warmer climates. Surrounded by rugged mountains and dramatic coastlines, these quiet beaches provide an extraordinary contrast within the Arctic environment. Traveling along northern Norway's scenic coastal routes reveals breathtaking panoramas around almost every bend. Bridges span narrow channels, mountain roads climb above deep fjords, and countless viewpoints showcase landscapes that constantly change beneath the shifting Arctic light. The seasons transform this northern wilderness in remarkable ways. During summer, the midnight sun bathes mountains and coastlines in endless golden light, while winter brings long nights illuminated by snow-covered landscapes and the extraordinary colors of the aurora borealis. These changing seasons make every visit unique. The same valleys, coastlines, and mountain ranges reveal entirely different personalities throughout the year, creating experiences that continue to inspire travelers long after they return home. For those willing to venture beyond Norway's famous fjords, the Arctic offers something truly unforgettable. Vast wilderness, dramatic scenery, ancient traditions, and peaceful communities combine to reveal a side of the country that remains largely untouched by mass tourism. Ultimately, Norway is far more than its celebrated fjords. Its true character is equally found across the immense Arctic wilderness, where towering mountains, remote islands, endless tundra, and resilient communities continue to shape one of Europe's most extraordinary landscapes. For travelers seeking genuine adventure and unforgettable natural beauty, northern Norway offers a journey unlike any other. Beyond the famous fjords lies a hidden Arctic world where silence, space, and spectacular scenery create memories that remain long after the journey has ended.